Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add adjustment layer in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro. So here I am. Then you simply need to click on this icon, new item. And from here, you simply need to click on adjustment layer. And from here, you can select the width and height of the adjustment layer. You can select the FPS. You can change the pixel aspect ratio from here. So then you need to click on OK, and here is an adjustment layer. Then you simply need to select that and paste on to your timeline, and you can add any effect in it, and that will apply onto the whole video as well. So this is the process how you can add adjustment layer in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.